Hi guys, Ghosty here. Today you are going to listen to 5 minutes of wave sound effects and what the waves look like. Okay, let's go. Damien, is this really a good idea? Shush, Ghosty. This has to be done. People want satisfaction noises. Oh yeah, good point. Wait a second, are those rocks in the background? Be quiet, Ghosty. What did I tell you? Sorry. Okay, Damien, I felt like I was going to say something, but now I've got nothing. Just be quiet then. Okay, sorry, I get the point. Alright? You have reached 1 minute of the wave sound effects. Hey Damien, can I have some popcorn? Oh yeah, sure. Just don't chew too loud. Thanks. Okay, why did you have it all already? Sorry, I felt really hungry. You have reached 2 minutes of beautiful wave sound effects or something. So yeah. Hey Damien, did you know that penguins are cute? Quiet, Ghosty, I told you. Oh, sorry. But it is true though, Ghosty, you do have a point. Yeah, I know, right? They're so adorable. Sorry we've been talking a lot. Me and Ghosty have been talking about the stupidest stuff possible. So yeah, I'm trying to get Ghosty to be quiet because he's not being quiet. You have reached 3 minutes of beautiful wave sound effects or whatever. I don't know anymore. I think I might be going crazy. Hey, can you pass the chips? Go away, Ghosty. You're ruining the recording. Sorry. You are going to give me those chips, right? Ghosty! Sorry. Whoa, that one was a big one. Shh, sorry. It was a big one though. Yeah, true. Ghosty, I don't know what's worse, the way that you speak or the way that you keep interrupting this beautiful moment. Sorry. You have reached 4 minutes of beautiful wave sound effects. 1 more minute left until the end of this video because I said so. Ghosty, can you stop listening to TikTok and get this over with already? Sorry. Moment of silence for 1 minute. Like Remembrance Day on November 11th. Yeah, good point. Sorry. Hey, Damien, did you know that 435 is my favorite number? Why? I don't know, it just feels good. Ghosty, can you please be quiet for once? Sorry. Alright, get ready. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have reached the end of this video. Congratulations. Bye-bye now. Can I get some chips now? Ghosty, shut up. Sorry.